Every day is special when I'm with you. Because of you, I can become stronger and kinder. I love you. Thank you.
Si Kim Chu. Aside sa galing niya sa pag-arte, syempre, kagandahan niya at mabait siyang artista.
Bong ng iba pang kapamilya stars kay Paolo sa pangunguna na rin ng kanyang idolong si Kim Chu.
Naya ako. Hi, Paolo. Welcome sa...
Are you ready?
Napanood lang kita nung araw, tapos sa trabaho na kita, naka-eksena kita.
Liliwanagin ko lang po. Mas nauna ko pong napanood si Kimi sa TV. Kumbaga, nag-aaral pa lang po ako ng Kim Chu. Inaabangan ko na po sila sa TV.
Both of your careers started 2006, correct?
Ako 2006.
Ako 2010 siguro.
No, 2006, GMA 7.
Oh.
Mga ganyan.
Pero alam ko, nasa school pa ako pinapanood ko ni si Kim.
Hindi. I think so.
Oo, diba? Tapos, nakita ko din, year 2011, there was an interview with you, Entertainment Live, and then you said you really wanted to work with Kim Chu.
Yeah.
Do you believe etong nangyayari sa iyo ngayon, this was destined to happen?
Naku, palalim sa mga word there. That's good to happen.
I think so. There were a lot of people I wanted to work with, and Kim Chu was definitely one of them because our age is close together. Magkalapit lang age namin, and I just wanted to broaden my. I wanted to be as versatile as possible.
Right.
So,
Pero parang ang dami kasing list of actresses in the Philippines eh.
yeah.
Why of all, Kim? Hindi, sabihin mo na now.
Sabihin mo na sa akin, kaya rin na lang hindi ko narinig.
Kailangan ko ibulong. Walang kurang.
Nakaka-irrit ko yun.
Paliw ka, Pao.
No, that's true.
Really?
Yeah.
Ah.
Some other boy.
Okay.
No, but yeah, I always was excited, but during that time, I think parang hindi pa siya maiwalay sa on-screen love team niya that time. But I was happy sa route naman na napuntahan ko. I learned so much.
So nakapanood mo na siya noon. Nakikita mo na talaga, no? Kim, ikaw naman, do you still remember that first day you saw Paolo on screen?
Bulong ko na lang din.
Ano ba? Hindi ba tayo mag-bullet? Do you remember that?
First time?
Yeah.
Alam ko yung ball. I think yung ball, oh.
Okay. Ano impression mo sa kanya? Yung last year?
Yung last year na ba? Charot lang, hindi. Yung Star Magic ball pa nun. Hindi ko pang 5 years lang yung utak ko. I think so. Pero yung ball, na first time ko siyang nakita, tsaka first time siyang pinakilala sa akin, nandun kami sa after party event.
Anong impression mo?
Tahimik lang siya talaga sa gilid, kasi hindi talaga siya nagsasalita. Hindi pa nga lang siya kinakausap kasi ayoko na rin na makipag-usap sa tao, hindi naman nasagot. Kaya hindi pa ako ganun kadaldal dati.
Right.
Wow!
Na ika'y hanap.
Na ako'y sa'yo at ika'y aking
Yes, and Paolo, birthday mo talaga today, so happy birthday.
I love you forever. You are the reason of my life. You are the light in my dark. You are the way.
Most beautiful name of a woman. Basta starts sa K, yun na lang.
Okay.
If I could turn back the dark, I'd spend every hour of every day keeping me safe.
Tayo na ibigin tayo ng minamahal natin pero hindi nangyari. I'm not the type. Are you the type?
I'm more of the type na kumakapit eh.
Oo.
Sana kaya pa, or sana pwede, or sana mahalin niyo rin ako. Parang hindi ako nawawalan ng pag-asa.
Imbitahan niyo muli ang lahat.
I love you forever. You are the reason of my life. You are the light in my dark. You are the warmth in my cold. You are the joy in my pain. I love you forever. You are the song of my heart. You are the melody in my ears. You are the river.
Kung kanibay sa Mother Proposal, may mga ganun na bang, ay wala, bago pa ako, si Paolo muna. O Pao, ikaw dapat si Paolo muna. Siya na, okay. Siya ay magpapropose sa'yo. Ginulo eh. Pero siya muna.
The joy in my pain.
Siyempre, meron na akong new manager sa project. Ano ba? May chance pa. Nag-walk out. Yan ang headline.
I love you forever. You are the reason of my life. You are the light in my dark.
Ang kawawa si Pao, si Pao. Nagsama kami na Angge. Ang kawawa si Pao.
Nangasal kasi sila lagi. May katotohanan na rin naman yung pangasal nila. Hanggap ko na rin. Nakakatawa na rin.
I love you forever. You are the reason of my life. You are the light in my dark. You are the warmth in my cold.
Paolo Avellino. Surprise. Ikaw. Ako kay Pao mag-hi ako. Hi, Pao. Hindi ko siya masyado kilala. So, sa itsura, gawain. Serious kasi niya eh. Talaga? Gawain. Talaga? Okay. I see. Zian Lim. Alexander Zian Lim. This is just a game.
Alam mo mahal mo pero hindi mo masabi at hindi mo matuloy dahil nahihiya ka or dahil may relasyon na yung isang kasama mo. Parang yun yung akin, yung parang sayang, naudlot. Parang sana naman, baka naman pwede or baka may pag-asa pa. Pero yun talaga, it's just, parang
Siyempre na gusto kong makatrabaho si Kim. And after ilang years ba? 10, 12, or 15 years. Nagkatotoo na rin.
No, but seriously, I'm honored to finally work with you, Kim. after 12 years in ABS, or 14 years pala, nakatrabaho rin kita.
Ako din,
Okay,
sobrang
tagal kitang hinanap. Okay, tagal ko rin nangarap na makapiling ka, o aking mahal. Pangakong hindi ka iiwanan at hindi babayaan, o anong saya ang nadarama. Di kailangang magpanggap, walang kailangang baguhin. Sadyang ginawa para sa isa't isa. Di kailangang magmadali, buti na lang di pinilit. Okay, tagal kitang hinanap. Okay, tagal ko ring nangarap na makapiling ka, o aking mahal. Pangakong hindi ka iiwanan at hindi
Found you nang dumating ka. I promised myself na hindi na kita papakawalan.
I love you forever. You are the reason of my life. You are the light in my dark. You are the warmth in my cold. You are the joy in my pain. I love you forever. You are the song of my heart. You are the melody in my ears. You are the rhythm in my pulse. You are the harmony in my soul. I love you forever. You are the dream of my eyes. You are the beauty in my sight. You are the color in my world. You are the vision in my mind. I love you forever. You are the chorus of my lips. You are the whisper in my breath. I love you forever. You are the reason of my life. You are the light in my dark. You are the warmth in my cold.
Are you ready?
Motherfucker,